Let me just tell you right off the bat, guys, this is too easy. There's nothing hard about this. If I can do this, you can do this. I am not smarter than you. I'm no one special. I'm just a guy from the south side of Chicago. And the only thing that I do is put in the work.
Hey, what's up, guys? If you're trying to get that bag, I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. I'm actually going to show you where I've made $20,000 in the last 30 days. And yes, I'm doing it in my part-time. As you can see, I work a full-time job as a truck driver. And I've got plenty of videos that have shown that over the years since I've been, showing people how to make money on YouTube since 2017. But if we take a quick look at my phone, what you're gonna see me do is go to my Amazon Seller Central app. Let me refresh that just to make sure nothing has changed. But you can see in the last 30 days, I've done $20,300. Now let's break that down. If we look, let's see if I can open that up with my big fingers. If we go and look at, this month. Can I get that to go? Yeah. So this month, we've actually done $18,760. And today is April the 27th. The year is 2023. Guys, it's not hard at all to do that. Again, I'm doing this part-time. I want you to imagine continuing with your full-time job. Most likely you work a job. Imagine adding another 20,000 in revenue. Now I don't get to keep that, but still, just to be able to generate that kind of money. Do you know how to do it? If you follow this channel, if you listen to what I'm telling, because I've been teaching this for free since 2017. If you do those things, you can get the bag, guys. I'm telling you. And no, I'm not smart. Okay, I'm not smart. I'm 54 years old. That's what I am. And at that point, you've been kicked in the face enough, and you've tried enough things, that you finally figure something out. You young? It's great to be young because you know everything. Then if you happen to live to get into your mid-50s, middle-aged, you've been kicked in the face enough to actually learn something, figure out what works, what doesn't. Here's what you have the opportunity to do. Take advantage from someone who's already made the mistakes. Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a little bit deeper for those who are interested in investing in themselves. And what am I talking about investing? Investing your time. That's your most precious asset. That's what I'm asking you to invest. Nothing else. But you've got to want to get it. You got to want to learn, want to explore, do the work. Okay? So stick with me if you're ready to actually learn how to get that bag. All right, working class hustlers, La Machine here. Now, I've made it to my stop. For those of you who don't know, I'm a truck driver. I run from Carlisle, Pennsylvania to Atlantic City, New Jersey every night. So I'm not an over-the-road trucker. But I kind of wanted to just show you real quick. We're going to come back to my phone. And again, if you want to know the date, like I said earlier, it is April the 27th. The year is 2023, and now it's 8:50. And if we once again come back into my Seller Central app, you'll notice the order count has changed. The units sold today so far has gone up. I think it might have been at like 6 or something earlier. Jim, you can show them what it was before we left the yard. Now it's up to 17, and we've had $417 sold today. And the thing I wanted to talk about, because what we're going to do is we're going to get you at the controls. I need to show you at the computer how I'm getting the bag. But one thing you might be tempted to think is, okay, I made money on my personal, my business, while I was working a regular job. That's one of the great things about having a side business or hustle. But don't get caught into, or I would caution you, don't get caught up in this passive income crap, because although it may seem like, okay, yeah, I was making money while I'm working my regular job, that's the way it seems. But I had to do work to put things into place, and nothing would be getting sold while I work my job if I hadn't have done previous things. Okay, so I just don't really believe in a lot of this passive income stuff. Is there such thing as passive income? You know, maybe, depending on how you want to look at it. I think it's more of a pay it forward type situation where you put the work in ahead of time and then later you reap the benefits. Okay. I mean, it's kind of like a garden, right? Uh, Everybody can sit around and just watch the vegetation grow and then we all eat. And nobody's really around and watching you plant and weed and fertilize and all of this stuff that goes into growing a garden, that's beyond just mother nature just doing things and you get to be passive. That's just not how life works, guys. So yes, it can seem like there's passive income. I really kind of question it, but if you put the work in ahead of time, you will reap the benefits, and you will reap what you sow. So we're gonna get on down the road because I gotta get back. But the next step we're gonna do is get at the controls where I can actually show you some of the things that I'm doing to give you some ideas of how you can get that bag.
Okay, hustlers. So now we're at the controls. I want to show you guys exactly the process that I use to find profitable products to sell on Amazon. But before we get going, let me just tell you right off the bat, guys, this is too easy. There's nothing hard about this. If I can do this, you can do this. I am not smarter than you. I'm no one special. I'm just a guy from the south side of Chicago. And the only thing that I do is put in the work. But seriously, I've been teaching this stuff right here on this channel since 2017. So let me just put it out there. I do this for you. That means everything that you need is right here on my channel. If you would invest the time, you don't need to buy no course. You don't need to sign up for nothing. Okay? Everything you need is right here. I'm doing this for you. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're inside of the software that I use, which is called Tactical Arbitrage. That's number one. You need a software that's going to do the heavy lifting for you. We got plenty of videos to show you everything. Okay, look down in the description for that, as well as a free 10-day trial period. But we got courses right here, little quick 10-minute courses that'll get you going, everything you need. But what you're looking at right here, you're looking at the results of a search that was done. Okay, and you can see if what we're looking at is some pork rinds. Incidentally, guys, when it comes to what to sell on Amazon, a lot of people are wondering, what should I be selling on Amazon? You cannot go wrong with food. I'm giving you game right now. You cannot go wrong with food. It's non-negotiable. It's non-negotiable. Okay. People need to eat. A lot of y'all looking at cryptocurrency, you looking at real estate and all of this stuff. That's great. Food is non-negotiable. You want to argue with me about the necessity of a place to live? We can have that argument, because I've seen people homeless, and so have you, and they don't have an option as far as whether or not they want to eat. So you want to have that argument, put a comment in there, and me and you gonna go for it. But anyway, what we're looking at is the software is telling me where to get the product, how much I'm going to pay at that source, and how much it's selling on Amazon. So if we look, here's what we're looking at, guys. Follow me. Here we are looking at some pork rinds, the originals, right? An 8-ounce barrel for basically for $4. Okay. And then what we're going to do is see that we can get that product You can sell it on Amazon for basically $19. Okay. And we teach about how to use your charts, your graphs. If you never saw a chart like this on your Amazon pages because you're not using the software Keeper, we just use that to give us insight. You have to have a way of knowing, or at least being able to estimate with reasonable, accuracy or predictability, that you're going to be able to sell this product and you're going to be able to sell it at a profit. So you're going to need to take, okay, basically, again, this is just a quick overview because a lot of you don't want to spend the time anyway. So I'm just going to, for those of you who want to invest the time, we got over 400 videos put out here for you. But just to make this quick, for the purpose of a shorter video, I spent enough time already. Basically, you're trying to sell it for like 19 bucks. You're going to buy it for like $4. You need a software, or you're going to do the math yourself to figure out whether or not you can make a profit. Okay, so the software I use is called Inventory Lab. You could even use, if you have an account, you can even use the free revenue calculator that Amazon gives you. You can use your phone. They want you to be able to determine whether or not you can make a profit. They want you to be successful. That means they're successful, okay? Now, the way we're looking at it, we're looking at numbers as if we were going to ship the item to the customer ourselves, and that's where we're coming up with $19, and that goes all the way up to somebody selling one barrel for $26, $27. Okay, look at, but we actually have it. We have it toggled on FBA, which means fulfillment by Amazon. We're looking at what we could make if we shipped the inventory into Amazon and let Amazon take care of everything. Okay. Now, let me turn that off. Well, that doesn't matter because it's not small and light anyway, because small and light would be, I think, $15 and below. But look at, you're talking about 148% return on investment. Now you're going to have to adjust that a bit because you're going to have to spend a little bit of money to get it into the warehouse. But what if it cost you, let's just say $1 to get it into the warehouse? You're still doing 98%. Guys, 100% return on investment is doubling your money. Okay, you're not going to do that in the stock market. Okay, you're not going to do that with all this other junk that people are, trying to go for. And let me speak on that for a second. Listen, guys, I told you, I'm not some genius. I'm just a 53-and-a-half-year-old guy, truck driver, for goodness sakes, that's willing to do a little bit of work. There's nothing difficult about this. I've tried and tried since 2017 to help you. I give you my phone number. You can call me. You can text me. I was just on a call last night while at work with a person that just had some questions. I don't charge for that. Guys, you listen, let this resonate with you. You might be like me, a middle-aged guy that's got a job. There's nothing that says you have to leave that job, leave that pension, leave those benefits. There's nothing that says that. Just because you hear all these gurus talking about fire your job, fire your boss, and be your own boss, that's not for everybody. Maybe you're happy with an extra $2,000, $4,000 in your pocket a month. You can do it. Okay? All you need is the belief that you can do it. Well, how you going to get that belief? You got to start hanging around somebody that's already doing what you're trying to do. That's me. If you're not making money right now, okay, and you might be like me, a middle-aged guy or gal, and you're wondering, okay, what am I going to do? I'm already behind the power curve. I know the feeling. I'm going through it. But instead of sitting around, blaming Joe Biden and all this other stuff, what are you going to do? What's in your hands? Stop looking at your disadvantages. You guys, you have advantages. You're going to get into this and you're going to ask, okay, what can I sell out here? Everything. What are you going to sell? Whatever resonates with you. If you would invest the time, you know what you're going to find out? You're going to find out which categories you tend to thrive in. Maybe it's shoes. I don't care to do it, but there's, oh my God, so much money being made in shoes. For me, it's snack foods. You may not want to deal with that. There's expiration dates. There's all types of stuff. It's bulky. Maybe you want to deal in, who knows? It could be perfumes. It could be anything. I mean, everything's being sold out here on this platform, and you already know that. Most of us are already Amazon shoppers. You're out here, you're looking at what you could get into, and the answer is right in front of you, guys. It's so quick. This is one of the few things you can get into where you can get your account started today and you could actually start making money today. Okay. You can walk into a store and you can find products and you can turn around and sell those products. That's called retail arbitrage. You can go online, like the example I was just showing you. You can find the product, get it sent to you, flip it, turn it right over. That's called online arbitrage. You don't have to start out trying to get an LLC, trying to, get yourself a wholesale account and all of this. You need to just get started. Okay. You have no excuse. At this point, you have no excuse. So I hope that helps out. Again, I'm here for you as I have always been. This is nothing new, guys. Okay. But I think a lot of people are just missing the boat. Either you're stuck in this paralysis by analysis where you're constantly looking for something. You're not sure. I think a lot of times we're being inundated with so many different opportunities and everything sounds good. Guys, this is about as easy as it gets. Okay. So again, text the words working class hustler to the number on your screen if you need some help. Join us when we go live. We tend to go live on the weekends, either Saturdays or Sundays. Some of that will probably be moving to more of a private group. Again, cost you nothing. But we're here for you. A lot of times it's myself, and I do have a sidekick. You'll see Karen. She likes to dedicate her time, effort, and energy as well to help the working class hustlers. So hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a like. If you made it this far, congratulations. All right. Most people, I'm telling you, I've been doing this since 2017. If I can get somebody to stay on a video for 3 minutes, a video that's going to help them to make money, if I can get them to stay for 3 minutes, we did good. Okay. So if you made it this far, congratulations to you. Take advantage. I'm here for you if you need me, and I'll see you in the next video.